Hello students, I am Rakesh Kumar Pathak. We are going to study first chapter of class 9, The Fun They Had. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page headed 17 May 2157. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfathers once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had had when they read it the first time. So when Tommy found a real book, Margie remembered the words of her grandfather about the book printed earlier. And she was saying it was awful to read the words again and again, the same word. Okay, second paragraph. Gee, said Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away, I guess. Our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many books as Tommy had. He was 13. She said, she said, where did you find it? In my house, he pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. What's it about? School. So in second paragraph, Tommy explains that it is waste to read a book and throw it away. Our screen is much better. We read different books, but we don't throw. Okay, so Margie is also saying same with mine, and it is written by writer that Margie has less experience than Tommy because Margie is 11-year-old and Tommy is 13 years old. She said, "Where did you find it?" She asked. Then Tommy replied, "In my house in the attic." Margie is asking, "What is about it?" Then Tommy replied, "It is about school." Paragraph 3. Margie was scornful. School? What's there to write about school? I hate school. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. So Margie is not liking the school. Margie hates the school, and the special reason that the mechanical teacher is giving test one by one after another, and the result was not good. Okay, and hence the mother sent for county inspector to check what the problem is. Fourth paragraph. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. Now the Margie is very sad. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her lessons when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. So this is the main reason to hate, when you are just putting your homework and you are just getting your result, that is not good. Obviously, according to the students, so Margie hated school due to this reason. Fifth paragraph. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He had to her mother. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. John." So Mrs. Johns is the name of Margie's father. Just remember, students. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory, and he patted Margie's head again. So now the county inspector is happy with Margie's performance because he is considering that the geography sector was geared up. Geared up, it means the question level was, tough. Question level was higher than what Margie can answer, and in that test, definitely Margie's result will not good, will be not good. So he patted her head and he said it's not the fault of Margie. Margie was disappointed. Why Margie was disappointed here? Because Margie was thinking, that the county inspector does not know how to altogether the parts of the mechanical teacher, but he knows very well. Now Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away to get altogether. Okay, so Marge is thinking that the county inspector will take the mechanical teacher with him for a few days, but it didn't happen. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" Yeah, this is a big question. Because school is nothing to write upon. School is not a topic. What is interesting? What is a good thing in the school? Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. So what is superior eyes? When you know something the other person does not know, you feel superior. So the Tommy knows a little bit more than Margie. That's why Tommy is feeling superiority. So Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes because it's not our kind of school. Stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds of years ago. He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully. Centuries ago. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulders